Miss Alexander in the waiting room for a few minutes. We'll bring her back out when she's ready to. All right. Put her in the waiting room. Miss Rodriguez, please. All right. All right, Miss Alexander, we're going to try this again, okay? I'm trying to find out if Marquetta Alexander.
I just want to make it known to the court in order for me to proceed. I first require the court to recognize I'm here in a special appearance as a beneficiary.
Okay, I'm not going to do that, Miss Alexander. Miss Alexander, you're either here or you're not here. So I'm not.
I can't proceed until the court recognizes my right of segregation.
Okay.
And the plaintiff's certificate that the right to please take the notice of the bill of complaint that was filed.
Miss Alexander, I looked over what you filed. Are you a minor? Are you under 18 years old?
That's not, again.
I asked you a question, Miss Alexander. I'm not going to do this with you. Are you under 18 years old, Miss Alexander?
I cannot proceed.
Okay. Then we will.
This court recognizes my right.
If you're not going to tell me,
I cannot proceed until the.
I'm going to talk now, and you're not going to interrupt me. So I put you on mute, Miss Alexander. If you are not here, then there is going to be a default order entered. I am not going to play games with you today. I asked you a question. If you are under 18 years old because you filed a bunch of documents saying stuff about being a minor, that is my question to you. I'm not going to recognize you as a special representative. You're either here or you're not here. We don't have, if you're an attorney representing somebody, then we will do that. But other people don't lay people do not represent lay people. So you're either here or you're not here. Okay. So I'm going to unmute you and you can let me know the answers to my questions.
I'm here as the title holder of my birth certificate. I have my birth certificate right here.
Miss Alexander, how old are you?
Again, I'm here as the beneficial, equitable title holder of this birth certificate.
Miss Alexander, how old are you?
So are you not going to recognize my rights?
How old are you, Miss Alexander?
Are you not going to recognize my rights in this proceeding?
You can put Miss Alexander in the waiting room for a few minutes. We'll bring her back out when she's ready to. All right. Put her in the waiting room. Miss Rodriguez, please. All right. All right, Miss Alexander, we're going to try this again, okay? I'm trying to find out if Marquetta Alexander is here. If not, then it's a default situation, okay? So that's what I'm trying to figure out. If you want to unmute and answer my question.
Your Honor, your question was my age and whether or not my complaint that I filed is saying that that I was underage, and that's not what that complaint says. It clearly states that I said that I am not a minor and I'm not an infant.
Oh, it says on the very first page of your complaint or your answer, Marquetta Alexander, comma, infant/minor. So that's why I asked the question.
And
so
if you
Miss Alexander, here's the thing, okay? Here's the thing. I want you to answer my question. Are you a minor?
Ma'am, I never said I was a minor.
So what's the answer to my question?
I'm not a minor.
Okay, so thank you. All right. So Miss Alexander, you are here today. Is that correct?
I'm here as the beneficial, equitable title holder of the certificate that I showed you for the reason that it's a frivolous dispossessory because it's on a business and that is an individual. The contract has never been contracted with the individual. There is no social.
All right, we're not jumping into a trial right now. As I said at the beginning, everybody is going to have a conversation to see if y'all can reach an agreement. So I'm going to put you all in a breakout room. If we need to set it for a trial, we'll set it for a trial, and everyone can put their.
I have a witness.
In. Excuse me. Do not interrupt me while I'm talking.
I'm sorry.
If we need to have a trial, we will have a trial, and everyone can put in their exhibits and their leases and everything. Okay, but I'm not going to say anything else right now. Let's put them, Miss Alexander and Miss Bofield, in a breakout room to see, is your witness, Miss Bofield, do you have a witness here?
Yes, Your Honor, Miss Hunt.
All right, we'll put those three in a breakout room and see if you all can reach an agreement. If not, just come on out. Oh, you can proceed, Miss Bofield.
Yes, Your Honor. So we have entered into a pay and stay arrangement. The amount that will be paid is $4,820.47, which represents rent from November through March. It needs to be paid by March 11th to the landlord in certified funds by 5 p.m.
Okay.
If that is paid, then of course the tenant is allowed to stay. We will dismiss the action. If it is not paid, then we will be seeking a writ and a judgment for that same amount.
And Miss Bofield, is the judgment, does that, I'm sorry, did you say that's all of rent for March?
Yes, Your Honor, that is the complete monthly rent for March.
So if that payment is missed, wouldn't the judgment be reduced to the?
It would be reduced until the 7th. Yes, Your Honor. So that's
to the 11th, you mean?
To the 11th. I'm so sorry. Yes. So it would be reduced. Let's see. It would be reduced to $4,391.76.
Okay. Thank you for doing that adjustment. All right. Miss Alexander, if you will unmute and raise your right hand for me, please. Do you swear from the testimony you're about to give in this matter will be true and correct under penalty of perjury?
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Alexander. You can lower your hand. I'm going to go over the terms with you to make sure that's what you agreed to. So you all came to a pay and stay agreement. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Did you agree that if you pay $4,820.47 by 5 p.m. on March 11th, 2024, that you would be able to remain in the property and they would dismiss the case?
Well, yeah, I did, but I would like to agree to the new amount.
Okay, well, just as I'll explain it in a second.
Okay. Yes, I agreed to that. Yes, I agreed.
Yeah, that's the amount that includes.
I agreed. Yes.
Okay, so what I was saying is, and then if you miss the payment, they would get an immediate writ of possession and a judgment for the amount, but only through that date.
I understand.
And that amount would be $4,391.76.
Yes.
Okay. Was that your agreement?
I agree. Yes.
Okay. All right, Miss Alexander. Good luck to you. You are excused from court. I hope that pay and stay works for you. And Miss Bofield, if you can send in that proposed order, we will then, after I sign it, it will be emailed to both of you. All right.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Everyone on this case is excused. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.